Hey, Ivy here. Ever feel overwhelmed by meal prep? Today, we're diving into how you can use AI to create a simple plan for a successful meal prep routine. Meal prepping can seem daunting at first, but with a little help from AI, it becomes much more manageable and even enjoyable. Imagine having a personal assistant that helps you organize your meals for the entire week. AI can do just that by customizing meal plans to fit your dietary needs, preferences, and even your schedule. Start by using AI powered apps or websites that offer meal planning services. These tools can suggest recipes based on the ingredients you have at home or even generate a shopping list for you. This not only saves you time, but also helps reduce food waste by ensuring you use what you already have. Plus, many of these tools allow you to set dietary restrictions or goals, such as low carb or high protein, making it easier to stick to your nutritional needs. Once you've got your meal plan, AI can assist in organizing your cooking schedule. You can get reminders for when to start cooking or even step-by-step instructions to follow. This makes cooking less of a chore and more of a fun activity. You can also use AI to track your pantry inventory so you always know what you have in stock and what you need to buy. This way, you avoid those last-minute trips to the grocery store. By incorporating AI into your meal prep routine, you can enjoy more free time and less stress. It's all about making your life easier and more organized. So why not give it a try and see how it transforms your weekly routine? Tomorrow, we'll explore another exciting AI tip that you won't want to miss.